What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Sunday Best by Surfaces. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's only using 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be A minor. It's 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. It's middle finger 2nd fret on the D string, ring finger 2nd fret on the G string, and index finger 1st fret on the B string. Then you're gonna go D minor, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 1. Middle finger 2nd fret G string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, index finger 1st fret high E string. Then you're gonna go G minor, which is 3, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3. You're barring the entire 3rd fret with your index finger. Your ring finger is gonna go 5th fret on the A string, and your pinky finger is gonna go 5th fret on the D string. And then finally C major, it's 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Ring finger 3rd fret A string, middle finger 2nd fret D string, index finger 1st fret B string. Once you have the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. Starting on the A minor, it's going to be down, up, down. Switch to D minor, up, up, down. Switch to G minor, up, up, down, up. Switch to C, down, up, down, up. So again, A minor is down, up, down. D minor is up, up, down. G minor is up, up, down, up. C major is down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Billy Schultz Music. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.